lot of bad knowledge shit I can't say. It's probably why I got put these problems in my damn
Boss
way.
on everything. Whoa, whoa, yes. Boss on everything. Ay, I swear to God, look at me. Boss on everything. Yeah, boss on everything.
Yeah, I'm from the south side, Chicago, where they known to pop lit.
All right, so we've came to a point in the music industry where things are consumed so rapidly that, you know, it just goes by. Think about this, and I'm talking about the way that we're in a playlisting culture. People add a song to a playlist. You just ran a shit at that red light, bro. Okay. We're in a day and an age where we're in what would be considered a playlisting culture with music. We don't just directly connect to one artist because there's so many different artists, there's so much music to consume, there's so much music you can find. And you know, while a lot of it may not be that great, when you do find something that's amazing, you save it to a playlist, right? And you typically don't even know. You ever had that thing happen where somebody's like, yeah, I know that song, oh, that song's fire. You don't even know the artist? That's an issue. That means that that person who doesn't know who that person is definitely is not following that person. So as soon as that song becomes old to that person, that artist now falls out of their trajectory of their gravitational pull. Oh my God, that bus just ran out that light. Why does everybody run this light? I wish I could run this light. What the f? He knows he ain't gonna get no ticket. Okay, I'm gonna start driving buses. Rap it in the city rap so people think I'm part of the city. Jesus Christ, okay, bro. So that's the thing, right? Is you need to figure out a way to really stand out from the crowd when people are adding that song to the playlist. Whether it be, you know, the title of the song. People don't usually think that the title of a song is that big of a deal, but when you choose the title of a song that's really crazy or something, it's gonna make somebody stop, and if they already like the song, they may go look at further into the types of songs that you have. Remember, the end goal here is to get people to like you for you. The whole goal is to get them on your email list. The whole goal is to get their phone number. The whole goal is to get them into your realm. If that's the whole goal, is to get them over to you. You know what I'm saying? You're not gonna be able to do that if people are only just adding you to a playlist once. You don't ever wanna fall out of there, and it's a good word choice here, rotation, right? You don't wanna fall out of the rotation. You wanna stay in that gravitational pull. So think about things that you can do to make sure that they're gonna add you to the playlist, to make sure that they're gonna pay attention to you more if they do happen to add you to a playlist. These are little things that every little thing adds up, even if it's only 1%. Remember, you do a 10% difference, that means you're gaining fans 10 times, you know, not necessarily 10 times faster. So like, a lot of people don't think about things like that because you're just kind of interested in getting people to even come to your music, to even add you to a playlist. You're interested in getting people to, you know, just listen to your music at all, but you have to take it a step further. You got to think a step ahead. You got to play chess. Remember, life is chess. And it always sounds corny, you hear things like that, but you know, when you hear those things, it's because they're typically true. And you need to understand that next step is what's going to put you ahead of somebody else. Even if it's not really competition, you want to have a team mindset, but you want to have a collaborative mindset. But you got to think, what's going to help me a little bit more? What's that one extra step that's going to have somebody add 2 songs to a playlist, or make them come to my page? Whether, you know, even your profile picture changing, right? That profile picture being crazy, and then when they get to your profile, if they're on desktop, what is that banner that's like it makes them like you more? You know, these little things really add up a lot. So I want you to take that into account. Another quick video, you know, whatever you can do to get them to do more than just playlist you. Do it, all right? I'm Rob Level. This is Smart Rap. He's got a little bit smarter.
Do it.
Okay? Keep hustling, gang, and I'll see you at the top. Don't forget, music industry shortcut. Big thing, right? 150 masterclasses, community, people just like you. Just want to remind you about it, all right? Oh, got a crazy person over here. What's up with that? Why y'all doing that? Keep hustling. I'll see you at the top.
Boss on everything. Whoa, yes. Boss on